Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be covering CRO, which is crypto.com. However, it seems like they are going to be changing their name to Chronos. So let's go ahead and dive down into this. Whenever it comes to crypto.com, you will see that once again, we did have a nice coin that had a strong uptrend, and then eventually it broke down below its uptrend to the downside. So whenever it comes to CRO, you can actually see that we do have a long-term sloping resistance that we actually broke out of as well, which is good. So it means that right now that CRO is in a critical area and that it has to remain bullish to survive. We do have a sloping support here. We just kind of broke below that as well, but I do believe that there's a good chance that CRO is working its way to becoming bullish. So if we take a look here, whenever it comes to our key level supports and resistances, we are actually sitting around a key level support right now, which is probably going to be about 45 cents. So it does look like 45 cents is a key level area. And the reason that we're calling this out is simply because it looks like there's a lot of support resistance here. Looks like there's a lot of support here, a lot of support resistance here. Then obviously we are hitting it again. If we happen to continue to the upside, which I do think will happen in the future, especially with this company and everything that they have accomplished so far, I do believe that we will be working our way past 50 here in the future. And I believe that we'll be continuing a lot further to the upside. After we get past 50, we do have another gap up, which is going to be right up here. Looks like 555. So looks like we're looking for 5-cent increments. So for example, 50, 55, 60, 65, etc., etc. So right now, crypto.com is still hanging in there. Overall trend is technically still downtrending, but as stated, it does look like it's trying to become bullish again. Okay, we have broken back below our EMA, which is not something that we really want to see here. But if we happen to continue to the downside, if we just happen to dump, we do have a lot of support around this area, which is going to be 40. Then obviously our next one's going to be all the way down here at about 35, so 5-cent increment. So keep an eyes on crypto.com. I do think there's a good chance, as stated, that we will slowly work our way back up here. We do have a sloping resistance that we will have to fight with here in the future. It is a very small sloping resistance, and you can see that's right here, okay? So once we get a breakout back above our EMA and back above the sloping resistance, then as stated, we will be looking for a nice move back here to the upside whenever it comes to crypto.com. Okay, so we just have to wait and be patient here. We'll see what happens. If we stay under the sloping resistance, next support, as stated, is going to be back down here at about 40, then 35 cents. So the overall trend is still hanging in there. As stated, a little bit bearish, but it looks like it's slowly trying to work its way to become bullish. So I would highly recommend that we keep eyes on this. If we go ahead and do our Fibonacci levels, then let's see if we have any important areas that we need to pay attention to. We're going to go from our swing low to our swing high here, which is all the way up here. So right now we're hitting the 786, so which is good. This is a great opportunity for us to try and turn bullish again. So we just have to get a breakout back above this key level area, which is going to be the 618. So pay attention whenever it comes to CRO, crypto.com, also possibly known as Chronos. Just pay attention to it. Good possibility we could be looking for a nice move up here to the upside very soon in the short, midterm, and probably for the long term. So thank you guys for all being here. You guys have a great day. I will see you later, and ciao.